I've been making some modifications to my old hothouse. You can see I've taken the front section off there and we've got polycarb on it, the same on the other side, so that we can get more light, into the area. I've yet to take a 3-foot section off at the back, which I will before long, and that'll give us a lot more light in here over summer. This is the inside at the moment. I'm doing some more modifications today, but this is what we've currently got. Cactus plants up there. Down here I've got my messabs, liptos. There's a conophytum, another large one over the back. They're under light at the moment. They're going into my heat box. This thing over here, 4 foot long and just over a foot wide, where I grow my seedlings, and some more plants there, and my Gymnocalciums down here, the variegated ones. And there's another one over there that I got recently, but I'm going to do some modifications here today, and then I'll shoot a little bit more and you can see what the difference is. This is the current inside of my hot box that I'm going to modify today. I'm going to drop the lights down a little bit closer once I check the lux values. There's my current seedlings in there. These are the golden barrel seedlings. I'll be leaving the lids off today so that they can get some more light. They're not getting sufficient light at the moment, I don't think. They're growing too slowly, so I'm going to increase that today by putting another light in. This is the new setup of the hot box I've just finished. I've got 2 fluro tubes up there, 4 foot daylight tubes. These are my cactus seedlings down here that I've just put back in, and these are the conophytums and liptos, because it's a very overcast day today and there's absolutely no sun out there at all. So I put them in there at the moment. Tomorrow's supposed to be a better day, so hopefully we'll be able to get a bit of decent sunlight on them. This little guy down here, I don't know his name, but this little liptos seems to be opening. That's wider than it was the other day. So it is moving along, very slowly, but it is moving along. I've done a lux reading on this. The distance from the plants to the tubes is 6 inches, and at 5.7k it's running almost 1200 lumens, and lumens of course is per square meter, and this is running on a foot square, so there's plenty of light there. I'll have to make sure that the seedlings don't get burnt, so I'll be checking them from day to day to see how they go. This is a quick view of my light box where I germinate my cactus seeds. You can see there's about another dozen bags in there with seeds in them germinating. We'll have a look at some of those and see how they're coming along. This batch were planted midway through November, so they're about 6-7 months old. I'll open the bag up, roll it back. You'll see what we've got in here. These are astrophytums. You can see they're coming on. I'll pull that down a bit. You can see they're coming on pretty well actually. Looking very healthy little plantlets. 2, 4, 6, 7. I think there was 20 that went into that packet, so not a great germination rate, but they're looking very healthy though. This one's Mexican Fire Barrel Cactus. There's 5 or... This is Mammillaria Cactus. We've had a great germination rate in this one. Pull the bag down a bit so you can see them. And look at all the... Put some more light on it. That's better. Look at all the seedlings in there. There's about 20, 25 in there. That was probably a bag of 50, I would think, to get that germination rate. This is white lace cactus. There's only 2 of those, so that's a pretty poor germination rate. Then you don't know how old the seeds are before they go in. You also don't know how good your germination setup is. These are some more white barrel cactus, but these are significantly bigger than the last lot. Look at that guy. That's not too bad. Another bag with some larger ones in. Gymnocalciums again. Open the bag up. And they're not too bad looking either. Look at the size of them. 2, 4, 6. Judging by my germination rate, there was probably 20 to 25 seeds in that bat. Let's see what else we got here. Mammillaria candida. It's got a couple of decent ones over there. The other two are looking a bit scruffy, but they don't look too bad. Grab another one, see what we got. Rhodia. See what we've got germination rate there. One was pretty substantial. Nice looking plant, but 1 out of 20. So I'll have to look at changing some of my germination technique next year. That's only got one in and it's pretty small. Yeah, so back to these guys again. They're not too bad, the little Gymnocalcium. I think they're looking pretty good. The extra light on them helps too. These are my Fire Barrel Cactus seedlings that I've just transplanted out a couple of months ago. You can see they're not looking too bad. There's some nice little specimens in there. These were planted mid-March last year, I think. They spent about a year inside the hot box and they've now come out, and I'm pleased how they're going actually. That guy there looks a bit sus. I don't think he's going to make it. And that one there is looking even worse. But the rest of them are looking pretty good. And I'm pleased how they've turned out. Close up of that guy. They're going out into the cactus house now and they'll be growing on for another year. And then I think a lot of them will be sold off because I don't need that many.